Dito nyo makikita kung gaano kabulok yung sistema natin pagdating sa gambling regulations, kaya maraming nalululong ngayon.
You go to any of our casinos 24 hours, I don't see tourists. I see mostly local people. In the Philippines, I am very disturbed. Our very big casino resorts, most of the people playing slot machines and all these other games are local people. So I'll tell you, in Singapore, we should learn from Singapore. Singapore has some of the biggest casinos. But I admire the policy of government of Singapore. Lee Kuan Yew, Lee Hsien Loong, everybody. Alam mo, ginagawa nila. I remember, I hope they have not changed the policy. If you are a local person from Singapore, if you're a citizen of Singapore, you cannot enter the casino to even eat or watch the games if you don't pay $100. Imagine mo, $100, 5,000 plus pesos, entrance fee pa lang. So it's a disincentive for people unless you're an addict to gambling. And if you want to enter free, you have to show a foreign passport. You're a foreigner. And also, not only that, everywhere in the casinos, I noticed, I saw, may mga pamphlets sila all over the casino. Oh, are you an addict of gambling? Call this hotline. Call this hotline. Call this guidance counselor. We will save you. They know it's a sickness. It's a very bad thing. Unfortunately, in the Philippines, our leaders, many of them have become cynical. Cynical, parang thinking nila, okay lang yan. Victimless crime yan or something. There's something very wrong with our moral values of our leaders.
Guys, nakita nyo na kung gaano ka-strict yung ibang bansa or yung Singapore about sa regulation nila sa sugal. Doon alam nila na makakasira sa buhay ang pagsusugal. Pero dito, parang normal lang. Suportado pa ng gobyerno natin yung mga pasugalan, pati mga online casinos. Hindi rin nila inaayos yung regulation, kaya pansin nyo maraming nalululong ngayon. Hindi na nila inaayos yung sistema, pati regulation sa sugal. Kasi wala na silang pakialam sa mga mamamayan. Marami din nagsasabi sa akin na nahihirapan din sila mag-self-exclude na umaabot pa ng days or weeks bago sila maban. So ganun kahirap kumuha ng support sa gobyerno kapag nalulung ka na. Kawawa lang yung mga kababayan natin na lugmok na nga, nilulugmok palalo ng sugal. Lalo ngayon talamak na yung pagpapromote nito sa TV, pati sa social media. Kaya kung sang-ayon ka rin dito, follow mo na rin ako at huwag na nating suportahan yung mga ganitong gawain. At kung nagsusugal ka pa rin hanggang ngayon, mag-isip-isip ka na.